Yep, top 5 things I'm going to say is regulation. How many is that? 3? 2 more, regulation and regulation. But that being said, once you get past the whole regulatory requirement, you're going to start to see efficiencies of bakeries. So the margins inside food and bev right now have always been slim. They've always been slim, but now they're going to get a little bit tighter. Different delivery requirements, increased, a lot of different changes that are coming in as far as tariffs go. Those are increasing prices, as well as inputs coming in from inflation and things like that are really going to squeeze that penny that they were getting to begin with. And now we have to find, as an industry, we have to find different and modern ways to help mitigate that. So we've got regulation, we've got tariffs, we've got costing, and then we've also got modernization. We're now, modernization point really is, how do we take our companies, our industries, get them out of the paper age and get them into some sort of meaningful way to use technology on the warehouse floor to track and trace all of this great product that's coming through the production lines today.